What causes solids to accumulate in a septic tank? A septic tank is essential for treating household wastewater, separating solids from liquids before releasing the effluent into the drain field. However, solids can build up over time, leading to blockages, backups, and even system failure. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Understanding what causes this accumulation can help homeowners prevent costly repairs and maintain an efficient system. 1. Infrequent pumping. Septic tanks must be pumped every 3 to 5 years to remove accumulated solids. Without regular maintenance, sludge and scum layers increase, reducing the tank's capacity and causing system failures. 2. Flushing non-biodegradable items. Items like wipes, diapers, paper towels, and feminine hygiene products do not break down easily. These materials accumulate inside the tank, increasing the risk of clogs and requiring more frequent pumping. 3. Grease, oil, and fat accumulation. Pouring cooking grease, fats, or oils down the drain causes them to solidify in the tank. Over time, a thick layer forms, preventing proper separation and leading to clogged pipes and system failure. 4. Excessive use of garbage disposals. Food scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells take longer to break down. Frequent use of garbage disposals increases solid buildup, requiring the tank to be pumped more often. 5. High water usage. Using too much water at once prevents solids from settling properly, pushing them into the drain field. Fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and spreading out laundry loads help maintain balance. 6. Harsh chemicals and cleaners. Bleach, antibacterial soaps, and chemical drain cleaners kill beneficial bacteria in the tank. Without these bacteria, solids break down slower, leading to faster accumulation. 7. Improper tank size or installation. If a septic tank is too small for a household's needs, it fills up quickly, increasing solid buildup. Poor installation can also cause improper wastewater flow, leading to sludge overflow. 8. Heavy solids in wastewater. Dumping materials like sand, clay, cat litter, or non-degradable substances into the drain leads to rapid sludge accumulation, reducing tank efficiency. 9. Tree root intrusion. Tree roots naturally seek out moisture and can invade septic tanks or drain lines, causing blockages. This intrusion allows solids to escape into the drain field, leading to expensive repairs. 10. Aging or deteriorating tank. Older septic tanks, especially concrete or metal ones, can crack or corrode over time. This damage allows soil and debris to enter, increasing solid buildup and reducing the system's lifespan. To keep the septic system running smoothly, regular maintenance, mindful water usage, and proper waste disposal are essential. By preventing solid accumulation, homeowners can avoid costly repairs and ensure their system functions efficiently for years to come. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.